Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that refers to a grand palace in Istanbul, Turkey, which served as the main residence and administrative headquarters of the Ottoman Sultans. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Topkapi Palace, Topkapi Palace, Topkapi Palace, Topkapi Palace. Topkapi Palace now houses important religious relics, including the Prophet Muhammad's cloak and sword. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Topkapi Palace, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.